In this video, we will see how we can insert 20 digits of number in Excel. Let's type a 20 digit number in any of the cell. So I'm going to type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. That means 10 digit. Again, I'm going to repeat the same format from 1 to 0. So once we type this thing, basically we have a 20 digit number. Now if we select other cell or if we hit enter, then we'll see the format of this number is changed completely, and it is very difficult to read or write or understand. To format this number or to make it 20 digit number, at first we need to click on the home tab. Inside this home tab, we will find on group which is called number, and there is a drop down. We just need to click this drop down and it will be expanded, and at the bottom of this drop down we will find more number formats. We just need to select it, and then it will open this type of window. From this format cells window, we have to select numbers tab, and then we have to go down at the bottom the custom one, and then under the type we have to remove everything and we have to manually type a number which is 0, and once we type 0, then we have to press the OK button. Once we press the OK button, we will see the whole digits are displaying properly. That means the 20 digits number are displaying properly without any shortcut or without changing the format. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily write a 20 digit number in Excel. Thank you guys for watching the video.